redneck shirt because I'm so fucking hot. Fucking, oops, wait, where's the sleeve? Where am I going? Fucking got the back right out of it. Oh my God.
Are you dying?
Yes. I am. Trust me. If I don't get this fucking cut here, I'm going to be doing nothing. Tide will be back out by the time I fucking get this cut.
There you go.
I almost got her.
You know, you should have been a seamstress.
I know. I would have made a good one. One of a kind.
You could have used them scissors I had in my bag.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Now, I'll get up, put my redneck fucking shirt on. Whew. Blah. That's what you call being redneck.
Yeah.
Now, I gotta get my bait started.
Poor thing, just wears
Hot
rags.
fucking hot, and that water's making me dizzy. It's coming in pretty fast.
Are you sure it's not going to come up this far?
I don't think so.
What do you mean you don't think so? Debbie, if it comes up here, we got nowhere to go but
Honey,
straight
well,
up.
if it gets starting, I think we're going to go back down and we'll walk around. It's like, don't worry, it's not going to come up this far.
Okay. Okay.
Not saying anything.
You don't think?
I really don't.
Deb,
Could be wrong.
how important is it?